Hey, I'm Johnny with Upfit Supply, and today we are checking out these seat covers by TigerTough for our RAM ProMaster. Now, these are American-made, fantastic quality, easily best in the market for your cargo van. They install super simply, and they have a very nice fit, look basically factory. They also include holes if you have an armrest. They also have the headrest cover as well for our RAM ProMaster. These are made incredibly strong and tough with 1,000 denier cordura. They come in a few different colors. We have the black color installed here. They also are available in a gray or a tan. They even have an option if you are in more of a security field or a law enforcement field, a tactical cover. They have a steel band right here for if you happen to have some sort of belt on that's gonna rub up against this area and cause more wear and tear. Now you can find seat covers like this for your RAM ProMaster or your cargo van or work truck and other accessories at upfitsupply.com.